Hey guys, this is Anna from Clean to Anywhere. Today from a different location because I am at the factory where we build tiny houses from waste. Because we don't also build ships from waste plastic, we also build tiny houses from waste plastic, temporary houses. Today is a very special day because we're going to move the houses because they need to be on transport. They need to be transported to their final destination, or actually not their final destination because they're temporary houses. But we're going to show you how this looks. For the record, this is one of the tiny houses. The guys are shouting all kind of technical details to each other about hydraulic pumping, because they have 4 hydraulic pumps. This is which is one, and everybody needs to pump at the same time, because if it fails, we have a broken tiny house, and that is not something that we want to achieve. And the house needs to fit on this cart for transporting it. First internally, for example, back there, but also to the truck that will move them. Let's pump up the beat. You know, the fun thing is, for these guys, it's also something exciting. They haven't seen this before. Everybody's staying after work hours. Up and down and up and down. Up and down. It looks like something we do every day, but it's actually not. Second cart, there you can see it. It's a trailer. That's the transport. Looks like a tiny cart for a huge house.
Stop.
The tension is high. Okay, there is a go. Beep beep. This is not like a let's go and ride situation. This is a tryout. It moves. Option B. Manpower. We can't really have the inspection over right now. Yes. Edwin just gave an instruction, but he also mentioned this is gonna happen every single day, probably soon. When we are ready for production mode, we're actually gonna make one every single day, and then every single day this is gonna be the exercise. You know, rolling the house out to the truck. 1, 2, 3, pull. La 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 la. What's happening, Rijn? What's happening? We're not getting over the hurdle. Yeah. He's trying so hard. Woo! Whoa! Yes! It worked! Well, the exercise moving the tiny house worked, was successful. Well, bits of it, not all of it. It needs a bit of practice. But now they're gonna put it back on its place to work on it tomorrow, because, you know, work continues, you know. So tomorrow they have a full day of finishing the houses. The deadline is near. They're almost finished with the first 5 houses. And when that happened, when they are ready, we're gonna tell you way more about it. Exciting times.